Hey, so today I got these Amazon Bootleg TMNT 2012 turtles, and they came yesterday, and I've been waiting anxiously to open them up. I don't know exactly how they look yet, so let's find out together. So they're $25 from Amazon, and they say give a review and get $5 to $10. I'm probably not going to do that. It looks shady. They just want my email. Time to open these. Oh, that's bad ASMR. It gets really loud when it's right in front of the microphone here. So I have some regular 2012 turtles here just to compare, but I needed some more because Leo and Mikey are going to be the clone IDW turtles, and so I needed another Leo and Mikey to make the regular IDW turtles, which is what these are going to be. And I realized, but it's too late, that the knockoffs should have been the clones, and the regular ones should have been the regular ones. But I made the regular ones first, and then I couldn't get any more, because I usually order used toys off eBay to make the customs. But Donnie's really stiff. The head doesn't want to move. You can loosen it up with some heat. The belt is really tight and cheap. The plastic is cheaper, especially on the shell. The body seems similar to the regular, but it's a little sticky. Yeah, the head's pretty stuck. I'll have to work on that later. The staff, nice bright orange. Nothing special. Alright, comes with some silver swords, which is nice, instead of orange swords. In the pictures, he had brown ankle wraps, but now he has white, but in the original he has white. Got the same face, just a cheaper plastic, a lighter blue on the bandana. Yeah, I'm not really liking this plastic in the front, but I'm gonna paint it and stuff, so then it'll be fine. His belt, again, is also a little too small. Mikey. So yeah, the bright orange. The ones they come with, the regular ones, are just a slightly darker orange and maybe a bit harder plastic. Those are alright. Paint them, they'll look better. Yeah, their heads are pretty stiff. They're pretty tight on there. That'll take, maybe a hair dryer or some hot water to loosen those up. But the other joints are all good. The regular ones also, oh, he's got paint. But like on the back, they don't have paint there. But yeah, much lighter orange on the bandana. Again, ugly plastron, or undershoot, or chest. A bit of brighter green. Still good. Good for custom, but as a regular toy, if I was going to play with it, which I don't do, or I paint them and customize it. Okay, wrap with the silver size. Those are always good to have. They're the hardest weapon to make, for me at least. So I usually just find old ones and paint them. Yeah, his head is pretty stuck, but they all have good motion in the regular joints, except for the heads. His belt fits better. Mikey's too. I think it's the strap going over that's hurting Leo and Donnie. Sometimes they come weirdly posed. You gotta turn a lot of stuff around to get them in the right direction. Oh, there you go. After got that snap, now he moves great on the head. Probably more than the regular one. The graph looks the best out of all of them, just because the dark green Looks a little more similar or less cheap. It's got some brown paint, or maybe that's just a bruise on his arm. So yeah, I think they're worth 25 bucks. I'm gonna customize them, but probably wouldn't give them to my kid, but I don't have a kid, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, good for 25 bucks. I'll put a link down below if you want to check them out for yourself. The first picture you see looks like these guys, but like the original guys, but customized, and they have better shells and better weapons. Like if these weapons were painted up to look good, and he's got chain weapons for Mikey, but then in all the other pictures they look like they do when they come, pretty much. So I'm gonna turn these new ones that I just got into the IDW turtles, and Leo, the original Leo here, he's gonna be a clone turtle, and the clone Leo has a sai. And since, like I said earlier, I don't like making sais, they're the hardest. This is a sai from my Ghost Rider raft that I made, and he doesn't need two. One is on a flaming chain. That's cool enough. This one was just attached to his back, so I gave it to Leo. Evil clone Leo. So that'll be coming soon too. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.